Hey guys, this week we will be doing a couple of assessments over the things that we've been doing the past 2 weeks. The first one is going to be over the text structures and author's purpose. Remember that your different text structures that you will choose from is going to be cause and effect, sequential order, chronological order, description, compare and contrast, problem and solution. It is okay if you go back to your notebooks from the week of April 6th to look at your text structure information. Okay, this has the definition as well as clue words. What you're going to do with text structure and author's purpose is down here on slide 4, you're going to choose one of the following articles to read. You will determine the author's purpose and the text structure of the article that you chose. The first one is Americans Love Toilet Paper. You will click on the link. When you click on it, it's going to pull up a Google Doc. You will click on the link. It will take you over to the article. You'll read the article, okay? These articles are not very long, okay? If you want to do surprise, elephants comfort upset friends, again, you'll click on it, click on the Google Doc. It's going to pull up the article. You'll read the article. Again, this article isn't very long either. There's a third article that says turtles the size of the car. You'll click on it and you'll click again. It'll take you to the Google Doc. You're going to read the article. Okay. Once you have chosen the article, once you have read the article, you're going to answer these 3 questions. Which article did you choose to read? You can just copy and paste the title in the text box. What was the text structure of the article? What was the author's purpose for writing the article? Okay, now author's purpose. That's going to be, why did the author write the article? Are they trying to persuade you? Are they trying to inform you? Explain? Describe? Or entertain? Okay, that goes back. Think about what each author's purpose is for. Persuade. Are they trying to convince you to do something? Are they convincing you to buy something? Inform. Are they teaching you something? Entertain. Are they trying to make you laugh? Is it funny? Are they trying to keep you involved in the article? Explain. Are there steps in the article? Describe. Are you using any of your senses, your 5 senses? Okay, think about your author's purpose, which is the reason for writing. Okay, your text structure, that's going to go back to what we did the week of April 6th. Compare and contrast, cause and effect, chronological order, sequencing, description, problem and solution. Okay, so keep those in mind when you're doing this part of the assessment, okay? All right, the next part of the assessment that I want to talk to you guys about is from the week of March 30th, when we were talking about Greek and Latin roots. We had the sample that Miss Vaughn had put together for you guys, where you have to take a word, right, the root, and you have to determine the origin of the word. Where did the word come from? And we did Greek and Latin, okay? Then you had to think of what the words meant. So on the example, we talked about miss and mit. So if we know that miss and mit have the meaning of send. So if we take the word admit, that means that we're sending someone in. We are allowing someone to come in. Mission. Okay, miss means sending. So a mission is a special duty or a function where a person or a group is sent somewhere. Think of the astronauts and the space shuttle, right? They go on missions. Another example would be Benny, okay? Benefit, beneficiary, okay? Those are words that will help you decide and understand what some of the words mean, okay? Scrib and script, that means to write, right? Manuscript, that means someone is writing a script. They're writing a book. Jur and JUR or JUS. Law. Trying to think. Jurisdiction, right? That means like with police or state troopers, they have a general jurisdiction, or even judges. Okay, they have a specific area where they can only serve. Justice, it has to do with law, right? You want justice to be served for the people who commit murder. VAC, vacate, it means empty. Vacate means you're going away. If you go on vacation, you're going away. You're leaving where you are. Benny means good or well. Benefit. A benefit's going to be something that is good for you, something that will help you. Man is going to be a hand, right? Let me give you a hand. Just to kind of help you, and a lot of it too, you may need to use your inferencing skills and read how the word is used in a certain sentence. Okay, so you might, before you go into the assessment, you might want to go back and take a look at your previous week's digital notebooks and just see and refresh your memory if you need to. Now, excuse me, each of your teachers will have their own link for your assessment. Okay, so you're going to click on the link. It's going to bring up a Google form, week 4 assessment. Okay, you're going to go through, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Okay, You guys will do a fabulous job. Your teachers love you and miss you guys terribly. Remember that we are all here. If you have any questions or need help with understanding something, make sure you're reaching out. We have our tutorial times at 11 from 11 to 12 and from 3 to 4. We love you guys and hope you guys have a wonderful week.